Prosecutors focused on cell phone data and a bombshell statement from a witness as they laid out their case against Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson.
Lindsay Allen and Hayden Restevsky explain how a forensic expert showed Houck wasn't where he said he was the day Crystal Rogers disappeared.
We heard testimony from a digital forensics expert, and he said that he used Google location data to map out Brooks Houck's whereabouts the day Crystal Rogers disappeared. He said his phone was at the Houck family farm from about 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on July 3rd, 2015, and that directly contradicts the written statement Brooks Houck gave to police. They also said that Houck's phone returned to the family farm later that night, and that's when prosecutors believe Rogers was killed.
Probably the bombshell moment of Friday is when Steve Lawson's ex-girlfriend testified. Her name is Heather Snellen, and she told the jury she overheard Steve and Joey Lawson talking in 2017 about moving a body at the Houck family farm with a skid steer. Now, she admitted she didn't tell police about this until 2023 because she was a drug user and she was afraid of being involved in the Crystal Rogers case.
And the defense came back and pointed out that Snellen had been interviewed by several agencies about 5 times over the years, but only during a tense interview in 2023 with Kentucky State Police did she make that statement about overhearing that conversation between the Lawsons. The defense went one step further and even read transcripts showing those KSP investigators threatened to take away Snellen's son and told her that her life might be ruined if she did not remember more.
And then finally, the jury heard from a neighbor who lived across the street from Crystal Rogers and Brooks Houck. She claimed that Houck's mother and brother were moving bags of items from one car to another in the days after Crystal Rogers went missing. The trial continues next week at 8:30 on Monday morning. Reporting from Bowling Green with Hayden Restevsky, I'm Lindsay Allen, WDRB News.